See what I'm talking about? Ooh, if they ain't, boy, them wings look so pretty. Man, got some game day wings. Nice outside on a winter day. Yeah, we gonna smoke these big old jumbo wings. We already washed them, cleaned them up, let them sit in that vinegar and water for like 30 minutes. So we gonna do a simple, super simple rub for these game day wings. Got a little olive oil on there to help coat these seasonings. I got a tea-and-a-half spoon of Lawry's and a tea-and-a-half spoon of black pepper. Throw that up in there. Wait, we ain't finished. Ooh-wee. Gotta throw some of this ranch seasoning up in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get them wings coated everywhere. Man, that ranch and that Lawry's, everything together, it smells good. All right, y'all. We're gonna throw these on the smoker. Let the smoker be an open flame, 250 degrees. Probably kick it up to 275. Let these roll, baby. Throw some hot sauce on them, barbecue sauce on them, leave them plain, whatever you want to do. They gonna be good. Ooh, you hear that, y'all? You hear that? Got this baby hot. It's rolling about 260. All right, I'm gonna let it roll just like that. I'm gonna give it about an hour and then flip it. Keep it even. Still got a little ice out here. It's nice outside today. Man, that is almost perfection. Go ahead, flip these. Let the other side get some love. You looking good, baby. All right, we're just gonna let them cruise and do what they do. See what I'm talking about? Ooh, if they ain't, boy, them wings look so pretty. Man, we better go eat up. This how y'all do it, y'all. Game day, Super Bowl, All-Star game, whatever you want to do. Come on outside, make it like that. All right, baby, let's go inside and eat these up. Yeah, make you want to sing, don't it?
Yeah.
No carbs. All right, peoples, we got these wings done. Looking nice on both sides. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice and crispy. Tender. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That ranch tastes so good on there in that seasoning. This time, y'all, I did mesquite wood and cherry wood mix. Came out pretty good. I wanted more of a little powerful smoke flavor, and it worked out for me, baby. Got the crunch too. Took a total of 2 hours, right at 250, open flame. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and plate me something up, get going. I want you all to like, share, subscribe, comment. Go out there and do some cooking, enjoy the games. Peace.